Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got my Owcrate and I'm so excited to film this video. I'm really excited for this box because last month's Owcrate was so good, even though I had to open it up late because I was out of the country, so I've literally only had that one for like a week anyways, but I loved last month's Owcrate. We got some of the best stuff, so I'm really excited to talk about this month's Owcrate. So let's just get on into it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is like the little spoiler card. I'm not looking at the back because I don't want to be spoiled yet. The theme for this month's box, I'm like covering everything else, is called Tournaments and Trials. So yeah, I don't really know what else to expect for that, but I'm excited. This is so cute. It says the annual bee race and it's like these little fairies on bees. I don't know what I can look at because I don't want to be spoiled. So I will just go through by saying what's in the box, talking about it on the spoiler card at the end, and then looking at the book so that it doesn't get spoiled for me. So this is, oh my gosh, this is a puzzle. Comes in this little bag and it's a puzzle. But I can't even tell what it is yet, so I guess we'll find out at the end because there's no like picture or anything of it. The next thing we get in this month's box is a lanyard that says bravery hides in amazing places, and it's got these cute little cactuses on it, cacti. Not my style, but it's not cute, you know? Like I said, it's cute little cactuses, but it's just not my style. But I do think that is a really cool thing to get in the Owcrate box. Next we have this little coin purchase, which is coin bag, purse, that's what I meant, purse. And it says, may the odds be ever in your favor. So obviously this is a Hunger Games little thing. I probably won't use this for coins, but I will definitely get some use out of this because look how cute it is. I really like it a lot. And Hunger Games is one of the best series ever of all time, so that's good. The next thing in here, I believe, is the Goblet of Fire mug, which we were told about beforehand, and I'm just grateful that mine's not broken, to be honest with you. Oh my, this is so cool. I'll show you a close-up. It's Harry Potter Goblet of Fire. It has like the dragon, and it has, oh my gosh, this is so cool. It has the goblet, it has the cemetery, it has the maze, it has like a stand of people sitting there. This is literally so cool. I'm loving it. I love it, love it, love it. The next item is a deck of cards, which is inspired by A Gathering of Shadows by V.E. Schwab. This one actually says what it's inspired by, so that's how I knew. I haven't read A Gathering of Shadows. I kind of like that we got a deck of cards in this box because I actually really don't like playing cards, but a couple months ago in the finale Caraval box, like the limited edition box, they gave us a deck of cards, but those are so gorgeous that I don't want to play with those because I want them to, they're so cool. They have like gold lining. Oh shoot, these have red lining too. They look just like this, but gold lining, and then some of them have character art, which this probably does too. Yeah, it does. But since I care a lot less about A Gathering of Shadows because I haven't read it, I'll probably play with these cards over the Caraval ones because those are literally beautiful. They're black and gold, just increíble. Just saw the book. The pin this month definitely goes with the book, and you'll see why. Here's the pin. It's like a pair of scissors and like cloth and thread or whatever. Not sure if I held that upside down. Looks the same. Just flip it upside down, you know? So the book we got this month is Spin the Dawn by Elizabeth Lim. I am really excited. This is definitely a book that I wanted to read. So beautiful. Came in here. Don't even have to worry about it. So as always, we get a little note from the author. There's also this really cool like graphic kind of thing, so maybe they're not doing a sticker because of that. This cover is stunning. It is an Owcrate exclusive, so I'm curious to see what it normally looks like. Okay, so we got gold writing, and normally it's like a whitish, silverish writing. So I can appreciate that because gold is my favorite, but that's really the only thing different. Maybe this is different too. I'm not sure what the original looks like, but it doesn't really show me what this looks like on the original. I'm really excited for this. This is about, I think this is like kind of like a Mulan retelling if I remember correctly, because she poses as a boy and then she's in this like group of boys who are vying for the job of like the Imperial Tailor. Anyways, it's basically like Project Runway mixed with Mulan is what I think I've heard before and what I can totally see after reading that summary, and I'm really excited for this. It's a gorgeous cover. Our main character looks absolutely stunning and it's just gorgeous. It's so pretty. Okay, let's go over the things that I wasn't able to tell. So this lanyard is inspired by the books, the Selection books, which I've never read. Those used to be really popular like when I was in high school, and then like even a little bit after high school. Never read them, never was really interested, but if you are, that's great. If you've read them in the past and you have Owcrate, now you get a cute little lanyard so it's inspired by it. And that was designed by Four Seasons Fox. We already went over the coin purse, which was inspired by Kit Kronk Studio, which is obviously the Hunger Games inspired. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've never really had a desire to do a puzzle, but this puzzle is inspired by the Night Circus. So you know I'm gonna do it. It's a 300-piece jigsaw puzzle. It is created by and designed by Holly Dunn Designs. And I'm really excited but really nervous because I've never done a jigsaw puzzle, and also there's 4 cats in my house that are just destined to ruin the puzzle, so there's that. The cards were inspired by V.E. Schwab's A Gathering of Shadows, and a couple of different artists worked on them. Nicole Deal, Gina Hilton, Marion Martin, Diana Dworak, and Michelle Gray. The mug obviously was inspired by Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, and it is by an artist, Kendra Cus. And then obviously the book Spin the Dawn. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Such a good box. I mean, not as good as last month. Oh, this is the jigsaw puzzle picture. Oh my gosh, so cool. People see what they wish to see. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. That's really cute. That's really cool. I'm very excited. So book selection, great. A lot of these items, great. Like the mug, freaking fantastic. The playing cards are pretty cool, especially if you really like V.E. Schwab's books. I think you would really like this. Again, I haven't read any of her books, so I'm not like a massive fan, but I do think this is a really cool item. The jigsaw puzzle is different, and I really like it. Like I said, I've never done a jigsaw puzzle before, so hopefully I can get around to that, especially because it's the Night Circus inspired piece, and I love the Night Circus with all of my heart. It's one of my favorite books. So, and I think actually the pin is so cute, which I'm really excited about because I haven't like loved the last couple of ones except for maybe the Caraval one that I got in the limited edition Caraval box. And last month's was the cutest thing. It had a cat. It's so adorable. Loved it. It said like child of the library or something, and it had a cat on it, and I was like, this is me. Okay, anyways, overall I think this was a really great box and I'm really happy. I don't think it was as incredible as the last one, but I do think it was very, very close, which I'm very grateful for because I had my expectations pretty high and I feel like they were met to a certain extent, you know what I mean? Because the last box or two before last month I was like, but these last 2 months have saved my faith in Owcrate. Not that I ever lost faith, but you know what I mean. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. It's Instagram and Twitter at Kendra Cus, just like YouTube Kendra Cus. I'm gonna let you guys go though. Have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, whatever happens to be that you're watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.